Hello my friend, this is the cable tray production line, And first I will introduce the decoller with the loading car. The decoller will load the steel coils into, the loading car will load the steel coils into the decoller, and then there will have a leveling system. The leveling system will make the steel coil will be more straight, and they can decrease the strengthening inside the coil. And then this is a servo feeder, and feed the steel coil into the punching machines. And the punching machines will punch the holes. You can see, punch the holes. Do not have any scratch on the surface. And then we will feed into the roll form machines. And these roll form machines can change the sizes by automatically. And you can set the parameters in the PLC computer system and can change the sizes. On your profile drawings, I only see the punching positions and the punching hole sizes, and I do not have any side sizes. You know the side sizes. There will have a lip, both of the side will have a lip, but your profile drawings do not have. You can see inside. And the roller materials is the GCR12. And these servo motors can control the roll form machines and adjust to the widths. And after that, there will be a hydraulic cutting. You can see, I need to know this part sizes, so that I can give you a suggestion and a quotation. The cutting knife. This is the whole line of the cable tray production line.